In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Yahoo account due to inactivity. So as you can see, after 12 months or more of not using your mailbox, it is considered inactive. So it will stop receiving new emails and all mailbox contacts, folders, contacts, and etc. So keep your mailbox active so you don't want to inactive mailbox in your Yahoo Mail. Now, how to reclaim an inactive mailbox? So an inactive mailbox can be recovered by signing into it and will recover the email account, but not the original content or settings made of the mailbox. So as you can see, you could log in your account of inactive account, but the mailbox will not be there because as you can see, I think it will be deleted. So for that, you just have to go. As you can see, there is help in here. Now, once you are in here, now go to password and sign in, and you could see the fix problems signing into your account, and you just have to click this, and Um, this will help you bringing back your inactive account. As you can see, you forgot your password or Yahoo, and it will give you the use the sign in helper to locate your Yahoo ID and regain access to control. There are many options in here. So as you can see, you just have to go to Yahoo. As you can see, just go to Yahoo and go to sign in. And once you are in here, you can see help. And this is where you see the topic, and that's it.